Hello again, everybody. In this video, I'm just gonna quickly go through my August Petit Vour box. There's a fly in here. Damn it. Hello, everybody. I'm just gonna quickly go through the things I got in my August Petit Vour box. And there's something in here that I'm very excited about. So let's get to it. The first item I picked up is from Formulary 55. It's a Sea Clay Body Mask, Detoxify and Tone. Very excited about this. Face masks are my favorite thing, so a body mask might actually be very fabulous. And this goes for $8. This all-over detoxifying body treatment mask is designed to tone, treat, and tighten, removing impurities and excess oils without stripping the skin. Perfect. If I'm like a little low energy in this video, I'm sick. And I kind of feel like I'm forcing myself to do this video. But I really wanted to get it up before August ended and actually be on time for once with my Petit Vour box, because I'm never on time. Ever. Moving on. So it was $8 for that Formulary 55 Sea Clay Body Mask. Can't wait to try that out. It looks like we have another mask, and this one is for hair from Saint Tropica. It's a hot oil hair mask with virgin coconut oil. I've never tried, that would be lying. I tried, I think, one face mask. I've tried one hair mask, and it was from Lush. It was the Hashawin. I don't know how to say it. It has a language barrier, you know. I don't know how to pronounce it, no matter how many times I buy it, but it really made my hair really soft. It was great. This has biotin and hair superfoods for stronger, thicker, lustrous hair. You know, could use all the luster in this beautiful mane of mine. Which I actually put in a ponytail because it's oily. I need to wash it. So I may get back to you guys on this with an update this weekend. If I actually use it. I probably will. I'll put a reminder on my phone because I always forget, you know? I'm so forgetful. I buy all these things or I get things and then I forget I have them and then they never get used. Or I just use the same things over and over again that I love. Which, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but I love trying new things. And I mean, if I bought it, might as well use it. The coconut hot oil mask is for $5, and I'm assuming you can buy that by itself. Maybe in a pack. I'm not sure. I should look that up. Let you know in the description box below. Soft, gorgeous locks are yours with this hot oil treatment that reverses damage, strengthens, and thickens hair from root to tip. Get all up in there. You know, the third item that I see is also from a brand I'm very excited to try more stuff from. Is from Audacity. I'm not sure, but Pure Elements Black Mint Cleanser Charcoal and Rosol Purifying and Cooling Gel. Just like Petit Vour knew I was running out of cleanser and I needed another one, so why not try a new one? It looks like this. Comes with this cute little black simple bottle. And this is, where is it? $14 for this black mint cleanser. Activated charcoal and peppermint combined for a truly purifying cleanser that leaves skin clearer and mattified without losing hydration. This actually might be perfect in the mornings for like 30 minutes or so before I do my makeup because I get an oily T-zone. It'd be great to start off mattified and then moisturize on top of it. Oh, this nose is killing me. I hope I don't sound nasally. I don't want to sound like Lois Griffin. Charcoal and mint are one of my favorite ingredients. I can't even speak properly. I'm like in a brain fog. Oh my god, help me, help me. I'm gonna die. Charcoal and mint are some of my favorite ingredients in skincare. I mean, mint just gives you like a very fresh, invigorating feeling, and charcoal is just, you know, oh, I think this has a, I'm gonna smell it. I smell everything. That's a little thing, you know. It ensures me no one has used it before. But I'm definitely gonna sniff this, baby. Ah, smells exactly as I thought it would smell. Minty. Minty charcoal. I would definitely try to get back to you guys on all of this stuff. I plan on doing a future video on like all the favorites that I've received from Petit Vour and that I plan on repurchasing once I finish them all up. So stay tuned for that. And the final item that I'm so excited that came in this box is this Eye of Horus Dynasty Brow Define. I have always wanted to try from Eye of Horus, and this is full-size product, $25, worth more than the whole box, guys. So excited. I'm so excited for this. I'm definitely going to use this in my next video. I can't wait to try this. This waterproof brow pencil is infused with castor oil to stimulate hair growth for naturally fuller brows, and my brows can use all the help they can get. But I'm so excited to finally get to try an Eye of Horus eyebrow product because I wanted to try it for so long. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out of its beautiful gold packaging. And I usually don't use eye pencils. Look at it. It's so cute and tiny. Like, I can't compare it to like the Anastasia brow Wiz. That's what it's called, right? Brow Wiz. Never used it. Or the like the NYX one that's like a dupe for the Brow Wiz. Never used that. I never used pencils. I've always used powders or pomade. So I can't wait to try this and see how well it works for my brows. And I have a pool party coming up, so I definitely will test this waterproofness. You know, I'll test and get back to you guys on how waterproof this really is. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited, guys. Oh, it comes with a spoolie too, with the back spoolie. Yes, that is very tiny. Very, very tiny. So hopefully this will define the brows quite easily and create great hair strokes. Love this. And I'm almost a year into getting my subscription box with Petit Vour, and I've got to say, I have not been disappointed with not one box, ever. That is the greatest thing I've ever done in my life, was subscribe to Petit Vour. So guys, I encourage you guys, if you guys love clean, cruelty-free beauty and skincare and hair care and just body care, just everything care in general, dermatology tested, no, I don't know, but just things in general, just like take care of your whole body. Petit Vour, you guys should subscribe. What are you waiting for? Just subscribe. Just subscribe. The website's awesome. You get points for purchasing things. Every box is like pretty much amazing, in my opinion. I have not been disappointed, and I feel like I say this in every Petit Vour box video, but seriously, they can do no wrong in my eyes. I love you, Petit Vour. I love you so much. You have my heart forever. Okay guys, that's it for this August Petit Vour unboxing. I'm finally, hopefully, going to be on time, so you guys should see this probably the last week of August. If I actually edit it and get it up. I hope so, because then I'll be very proud of myself. Because I actually got it up on time before the month actually ended, you know? I'm trying to get better at this, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video, and until next time, bye!